Real hype off a half a pill. We don't pay niggas to front like they like my shit. We don't pay niggas to come in and write my shit. Now carry on. Now carry on. Now carry on. Now carry on. Swish, swish, I'm
Cut it out my wrist, so puddle dripping. 42, I'm steady sipping. Yeah, I'm on and I'm off that. Yeah, I don't follow rules and they don't like that. Hey, I was skipping school to get my sack right. My bitch, my dog got out of prison and went right back. Right back. 28 on that scale, right back to the money, stunning hard, show and tell like that. Yeah, Versace table, Fendi roll.
What the fuck, dude? What the fuck are you doing?
Said he tried to fall. Blood still stains when
When your legs don't work like they used to before,
Yo, what the fuck?
and I can't sweep you off of your feet.
What the fuck are you doing? That's not a fucking lane. That is not a lane, dude. Wow.
Sometimes it's hard to face reality. Even though you might get mad at me.
So you're just gonna roll through that stop sign. What the fuck?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know what happened with the D.R.E.
I gotta hit that shit somehow. I gotta hit that shit somehow, right now. I just wanna get fucked up.
Cool. No? This guy don't know where the fuck he's going. Where are you? One way, dude. This guy is trying to go down a one-way fucking street. Ridiculous.
my eyes flying high, yeah, wouldn't you agree? Wanna jump in the game? Okay, you better I really bring.
Dude, how fucking slow are you gonna turn? Wow, you must be drunk.
Face shaking, no love where I'm from. When I'm on the beat, I make it dumb. I need that bread like every crumb. Came up from nothing, made a song. I came up, who I was down with. You change up, stay far from.
I don't never come home. You got my teeth gripping, saying what that don't. Got me drinking Patron, I don't drink Patron. Come through and beat it up. Come through and beat it up.
Okay, what the fuck's going on right now? Okay, so now we got 2 cars blocking the left side. What the fuck? No one knows how to drive. Jeez, these people. Now what are you doing? Are you turned? What? Dude, you can't. What the fuck are you doing? Wow. This girl. Now we got this Jeep blocking the intersection. Apparently she can't read the big ass letters all around it saying keep clear, do not block. What the fuck are you doing? Dumbasses. Blocking intersections.
You leave your spot, your girlfriend call me like, come on, no. I like the way that she treat me, gon' leave you, won't leave me, I call it that Casino.
I only post for a fee. All my niggas stay prepared. All my partners with the shit, so they asses when the win. Holla mud, nigga way at them there. Man, I got them do whatever they was doing, no one cared. We the ones y'all wanna copy. I ain't close to every.
Part of me. Gang,
What the fuck is this truck doing? Wow. Just forcing himself in. Now he's blocking traffic. the fuck is this car doing? Making a fucking illegal U-turn. The fuck? The fuck is your problem? The fuck, dude? You're smiling about it. You think that shit funny? The fuck's your problem? You see the lane I'm in? You turn into your lane. You stay in your lane. I'm right in the middle lane. You came and almost hit me. Yeah, and your car was in my lane. You stay in your lane. You don't pull out when a car's right there. Learn how to fucking drive. Went around you. You see me pulling out. Why would I go around you and I'm in my lane? I have the right of way. You yield to oncoming cars. You almost hit me. How did I almost hit you if I'm already in the right of way? You're at a dead stop. I am looking. That's why I braked so I wouldn't hit you because you almost fucking hit me. Why the fuck would I go around you? You would be at fault. Yeah, because you're fucking stupid. Dumbass. 5CNH418. Nissan Altima 3.5 SE. Try to fucking blame me. You could have went around me. Why the fuck am I going to go around you when I have the fucking right of way and you just fucking pull out?
What you know?
This fucking dumbass.
The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen.
Dude, you're in the fast lane.
In 2 miles, take exit 28 toward Olive Drive.
These are the most awkward merges right here. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Really? The worst kind of merger. He's still gonna try. He's still gonna do it.
Yep, because someone's letting him. Oh, look at all that space!
You are so stupid. Oh, it's a girl.
Oh, speaking of stupid girl drivers. I'm not trying to get on the freeway. Bitch, you ain't got no fucking brake lights on. I didn't know bitch was stopping in the middle of the fucking road. And I saw it getting closer and closer, and I slammed on her. I was like, what the fuck?
girl's just steady driving, but she's like, I guess there was a line in front of her, so she had her foot on the brakes. She didn't get no fucking brake lights. Had no fucking idea.
Take it slow.